Hi guys, Trading Cards King here. Today I've got not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 packs of Attax 2015-16. It's probably my largest pack opening on the channel, but you know, anyway, let's just get into it. So first, we have the pack. I'll just go through the odds, you know, same as always. Star players and club crest 1 in 1 packets, man of the match 1 in 2 packets, duo cards 1 in 4 packets, 100 clubs 1 in 31 packets, limited edition cards 1 in 400 packets for gold, 1 in 200 packets for silver, and 1 in 80 packets for bronze. So the first pack. And in the first pack we managed to get the Swansea City badge, Jack Cork, CM De Jong, Jack Rodwell, a £5 million tactic card to add to the budget, Alan Neom away kit, Kevin De Bruyne, good card there, Thibaut Courtois, nice card there as well, a all-rounder Ben Watson of Watford there, and finally a man of the match Simon Francis of Bournemouth there. Nice card, 79 defence, fantastic. So into the second pack now. And in our second pack we get that terrible badge again, the Villa badge. Another terrible player, Libor Kozak, Vernon Anita, Martin Skirtle, Yusuf Mulumbu, a deduct 5 points tactic card, John Stones, good defender right there, Graham Dorrans, Glenn Whelan, and the Manchester United duo card of Ash Young and Juan Mata there. I've got around 3 of these cards now, but it's still a nice card to have for the collection. So let's just move on to our third packet. And in our third pack we get a Scott Sinclair, Jack Colback, Johnny Evans, Cheku Kuyate, Santi Cazorla, Raheem Sterling, fantastic card right there, beautiful. Cesar Azpilicueta again, another lovely card. Unfortunately Chelsea have had a terrible season, but you know, anyway. Julian Speroni from Crystal Palace, nice keeper there. My probably 5th star player, Jermaine Defoe. If anybody wants this, I'll be up for trade, so yeah, there's that. And finally the duo card of the terrible club Aston Villa, Micah Richards and Kieran Clark. It's a defensive duo card, so yeah, that's it for this pack. And into our fourth pack. In our fourth pack we managed to get a Kyle Norton, a Stephen Berguis, a Wes Morgan, Clinton and Jai, lovely striker there, Bastian Schweinsteiger, fantastic midfielder, Russell Martin, Mark Pugh, Lucas Fabianski, clean sheet card, the Sunderland badge, and a man of the match Bojan from Stoke there. Nice card right there, 81 attack, fantastic. So that's that pack done, and we come on to the final pack of the day. So in our final pack we managed to get an Idrissa Gueye, Jose Fonte, Jordan Ibe, Craig Gardner, Pedro Obiang, Gareth Barry, Joe Ledley, Philip Walshide, a Jordan Ayew super striker, and a star player Gylfi Sigurdsson. So that's it for this pack opening. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. Please leave a like and subscribe on my other channel too. I do movie reviews on there. So yeah, thanks very much and goodbye.